student, very good morning to all of you. And myself Dharmen sir, and you're most welcome in your English class. Student, I have given you the introduction video that how you can prepare your proper notes and what should be your strategy planning of your study. So student, now I am going to start our class, and first I would like to start the grammar section. The grammar section means at first we have to study sentence and the sentence formation. How can we make a sentence? What is the meanings of different sentence, and what is the kinds and types of sentence? So sentence is the basic things that you should have some knowledge about this, because most of the things depend on the sentence, like imperative sentences, declarative sentences, optative sentences, assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, as well as exclamatory sentences. So student, if you don't have such kinds of knowledge about the sentence, then how it is possible that you will be able to make a proper sentence? Can it possible? Of course not. So let's start the sentence. The definition is here. A sentence is the largest grammatical unit. It is the largest grammatical unit. That means a sentence consists of subject and a verb and some auxiliaries, object and other verbs also, and other objects also. So it is known as the largest grammatical unit. It usually consists of a subject, verb and an object. So here you can see that a subject, a verb, an object and preposition, these things makes a proper sentence, so it is a grammatical unit. Now in a second way you can see that a simple sentence is made up of two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject and a predicate. So student, at first we have to study about what is subject and what is predicate. For that we have to understand the meanings of subject. You know that any noun, pronoun, it and there, these are all known as a subject, but they have to do some work. So usually noun and pronoun, they are considered as a subject in a sentence. So let's discuss about the definition of subject. A subject of a sentence is a word. A subject of a sentence is a word or a group of words that say who or what does something. That means a subject is a word who says that who does the work. That means काम कौन करता है. जैसे हम कहते हैं यहाँ he teaches me English. Then if we ask that who teaches me English, then answer will be he. That means the work of teaching is being done by him. That's why he will be a subject. Have you got? That means here I am teaching you. Who is the subject? I. भाई मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूं ना, तो सब्जेक्ट कौन हुआ? मैं पढ़ाने का काम मैं कर रहा हूं, तो मैं सब्जेक्ट. एंड यू आर स्टडिंग, दैट मीन आप स्टडी कर रहे हो, तो स्टडी करने का काम कौन कर रहा है? आप कर रहे हो, तो सब्जेक्ट कौन हुआ? इन दैट ओकेजन, इन दैट मोमेंट यू विल बी द सब्जेक्ट, एंड इन द फर्दर केस आई विल बी द सब्जेक्ट. सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल टू find that who is the subject. It doesn't mean that subject is given just the beginning of sentences, maybe any place in the middle or any place of the sentence, but you have to just imagine and find out that who is acting. That means the action is done by whom? That is subject. Have you got? Now, what is the meaning of predicate? Now we will discuss. Well, student, now what is predicate? What is predicate? Predicate, that means the predicate is that the part of a sentence that says something about the action of the subject. That means predicate वह पार्ट होता है जो ये बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट ने कौन सा एक्शन परफॉर्म किया. दैट मीन द वर्ड्स दैट द ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट शोज दैट द एक्शन इज परफॉर्म बाय whom or by the person. This statement or this part is known as predicate. That means horses run. Who runs? Horses. That means the horses, the action of running is being done here by horses. So horses will be the subject. And what action horses are doing? They are running. That means run. Run will be the predicate. Have you got? Focus once again. यहां पर सेंटेंसेस कह रहा है कि हॉर्सेस रन, घोड़े दौड़ते हैं. दौड़ने का काम, दौड़ना क्या है? एक्शन है. एंड एक्शन किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है? हॉर्सेस के द्वारा. तो हु विल बी द सब्जेक्ट? ऑफ कोर्स हॉर्स. आई एम टीचिंग यू. एक्शन कौन कर रहा है? मैं कर रहा हूं. टीचिंग करने का एक्शन कौन कर रहा है? मैं. तो आई विल द सब्जेक्ट. एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग? यू आर जस्ट डूइंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो ना. मतलब पढ़ाने का काम मैं कर रहा हूं, तो मैं सब्जेक्ट हूं और आप पढ़ने का काम कर रहे हो, तो आप क्या हो जाओगे? ऑब्जेक्ट. सॉरी, आप प्रेडिकेट हो जाओगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम टीचिंग यू. हु इज टीचिंग यू? आई. देन आई विल बी द सब्जेक्ट एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट विल नोन एज अ प्रेडिकेट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Subject will be the subject and what the subject is doing, all parts of sentence is called predicate. Okay? Now student, the important thing is here that how many kinds of sentences, then here sentences are of 5 kinds. First is declarative sentence. The second, interrogative sentence. It shows that what the action is done, what the statement is saying in declarative sentence. But in interrogative sentences, the question is asked to you. The questions आपसे पूछे जाते हैं. Such kinds of sentences is known as interrogative sentence. Now, imperative sentences. You know that? What is the meaning of imperative? Imperative, to give order, request, pleading, etc. These are known as imperative sentences. Now, optative sentence. Optative sentence, that means in which sentences we give some best wishes to anyone, curse to anyone, pray of God. These things is known as optative sentence. Optative sentence is also the part of imperative sentence. But here we will study separately. Now, exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences are the sentences that shows the sudden feeling or the sudden expression of the noun or of the sentence. Such sentences is known as exclamatory sentences. When you will have transformed direct into indirect, then you have studied that alosh, these terms is known as exclamatory sentences. So student, after this we will discuss the part of the sentences one by one. That means at first we will discuss declarative, then interrogative, then imperative, optative and expletive. Assertive sentence, I think there is no need to explain because all the simple sentences is assertive. So after this we will discuss here. So student, if you have any doubt in the introduction video of the sentence, then you can ask me and prepare your notes with very carefully and with neat and clean. Just turn to the formalities while you are preparing your notes. Prepare your notes with carefully with neat and clean handwriting, and use some other pen where there is needed. So I hope so you have known that what is the means of sentence, what is subject, what is predicate, and kinds of sentences. And after this we will discuss the rest. Hope so you have understand that. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you for watching